Lesson 7 Problem Set. Circle to show how you made 10 to help you solve. John has 8 tennis balls. Tony has 5. How many tennis balls do they have in all? Let's start by circling our 8. How many more do we need to make 10? See, 8, 9, 10. How many more did we count? 2. Circle 2 more. 8 plus 2 is 10. 8 and 2 make what? 10. 10 and blank make blank. How many do we have left over? How many do we not circle? 3. Right. They're right here, 3 of them. And 10 plus 3 make what? I like to think of a trick where I take away the 0 and put my number there. So I would have 1, take away the 0, and put a 3. 13. John and Tony have blank tennis balls in all. How many do they have all together? Right, 13. We added our 10 plus our 3, and that gave us 13. Let's do problem 2. Bob has 8 raisins. Let's make a B for Bob and draw 8 raisins. And Jenny has 4. Put a J for Jenny. How many raisins do they have altogether? I'll give you some time to draw if you're not finished. Okay, if you're not finished drawing, go ahead and pause the video. Bob has 8 raisins, and Jenny has 4. How many do they have altogether? Well, we know 8 and some number make 10. We're going to make 10. So let's circle 8. Bob has 8. 9, 10. How many do we circle? 9, 10. Right, 2. 8 and 2 make 10. So 10 plus how many do we have left over? 2. We have not used these 2 yet. What does 10 and 2 make? Right, we did that little trick where we take away the 0 and put our number in its place. Or, if you need to, you can count 10, because we know we have 10 circled, 11, 12, and count up. Bob and Jenny have blank raisins altogether. Go ahead and write that answer in if you know. 12, right. Scroll down to number 3. Or flip your paper over. There are 3 chairs on the right side of the room. Let's draw 3 chairs on the right side of our paper. I'm going to draw circles. And 8 on the left side. How many total chairs are in the classroom? They want to know how many we have on the right and left together. We need to make 10 first. I like to circle my biggest number, I know there's 8 over here. So 8, and we need to steal some from the right side of the room. 8, 9, 10. How many more do we need to circle? 2. And 8 and 2 make, right, 10. And 10 and how many do we have left over? 1. 10 and 1 make, do you know the answer? 11. You can take away that 0 and put your 1 in its place to make 11, or if you need to, you can count up. We know we have 10 circled, and we have 1 more. 10, 11. There are blank total chairs. How many do we have altogether if we counted them? Right, we have 11. Number 4. There are 7 children sitting on the rug and 8 children standing. Let's put our rug kids over here and our standing kids over here. How many were sitting on the rug? Right, there was 7. And how many children are standing? Right, 8. How many children are there altogether? We have 7 sitting on a rug and 8 standing. Let's take our biggest number. Is it 7 or 8? 8. Circle all 8 of those. And how many more does it take to get to 10? Let's count up just to make sure. 8, 9, 10. How many did we count up? 2. Go ahead and circle those 2. 8 and 2 make 10. We were counting up to 10, which means 10 and how many do we have left over? Right, 5. We have 5 that we did not circle. Do you see where those are? Right here. 10 and 5 make, write the answer down in both of these spots if you know what it is. Right, 15. There are 15 children in all.